Kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a snowman. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a circle, and from that circle draw a semicircle and curves. Now join both the edges by the slanted line. Draw curves on both the sides and again join that curve with slanted line. Now draw alphabet C curve on both the sides of the hat for snowman face. Now draw sleeping triangle with curved edge for the nose. Now draw two parallel lines, sleeping and slanted way, and close the parallel lines. Now draw an oval shape for scarf. Draw fingers with mittens by using oval shape. And inside, draw a small curve for fingers. Now draw a semicircle for the body. Next step is to draw a curve like number 3 for right hand. And U curve for the mouth. Now draw curves inside the triangle and inside the scarf. Draw 3 circles inside the big circle. Now draw semi-oval slanted curves on both the edge for this nose. Let's start coloring. Red color. Green color. Red color. Grey color. Orange color. Grey color. Sky blue color for the snowdrops. Draw plus and cross lines and V curve on each lines for the snow in a different shape starting from small, medium and big sizes.
That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a mushroom. See you.